So now it goes back into the bowl. One of my absolute favorite things about Japanese food are bento boxes because they're so incredibly cute, they look delicious, and they usually got some anime character that I usually love in it, and I always thought that I could never pull this off. But today this is about to change because I actually booked a bento box class. So I'm gonna go to like a professional bento box chef. Can you call it a chef? I think making bento boxes, probably not, probably offensive to chefs. I'm gonna go and meet this Japanese lady and she's gonna teach me how to make a bento box. So I'm gonna bring you guys along because I am learning, I'm trying to improve myself, trying to improve my skills, and I know you guys love when I do that, so I really hope you guys enjoy the video. So this is what we're going to be making. This is a Kumamon. It's a character.
It's a character of Kumamoto Prefecture.
I'm not sure if mine is going to look like that.
Oh really? It's good.
So we're going to make the egg roll, and then it's another heart shape.
Egg.
Is it 2 eggs, right?
2 eggs.
Can I put it here? Oops, sorry. I made a mess on your table, I'm sorry.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna add some of the
granule soup stocks.
Oh, this is stock for flavor.
Yeah.
And then this is sugar. I like the sugar in Japan because it's like fluffy.
Yes, it's fluffy and very sweet.
And this is salt.
Salt, yes.
There's not coming up. It's a lot easier to mix eggs with chopsticks than it is if you use a fork.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it good?
Yes, please bake the first. Put in oil.
Oh, the oil first,
yes,
and then we need the tissue paper,
yes.
right? Is it good or remove a little more?
Yeah, the fry pan, it is very important to pan heat very well. 1 drop.
1 drop?
Yeah.
Check if it's hot enough.
Yes.
Can I just do like that?
Yes.
Is it good? Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, 1/3.
1/3 portion. Okay, and spread. Alright. Even a small bubble appear.
So that it goes like flat,
Yes,
right?
yes.
I'm a little bit nervous. Oh, that's much easier. Okay. And now we slide it to the back. 1/3. So we tilt it and then we go like, this.
Okay, good. So a little bit difficult to last part.
And we lift it up.
The bubble.
Slowly learning. Very slowly though.
Alright. Good.
Oh, a little longer. It makes me so happy that you think it's good.
Good. Congratulations.
Thank you. Oh, we're gonna divide this in 2.
Good.
So we cut this in half. Like that.
Yes.
So we go about 1 centimeter in. Is that a good distance?
It's more a bit
A little bit more closer, yeah. I'm very shaky today.
And then please roll.
So now we roll it up. This is gonna look a little ugly. I already know. That is not cute. And then we use, this is just a little bit of spaghetti, right?
Yes, they're just bake the patty.
Like a fried noodle. And it's supposed to open up. Well,
Yeah, okay.
it's okay. Alright, so the first step is to cut in half.
And
This is gonna be a very bad heart shape. It's gonna be a broken heart. Very thinly,
recently select the edge.
like that. And
Yeah.
can I eat it?
Of course.
Because that's what I'm here for.
Then please cut in half.
Half, like this.
Yes.
Okay, so we cut like that. So I'm gonna,
Not so sharp.
oh, not so sharp.
Like this.
Like that. Okay. Ooh.
Please stir.
I might have to hold it. Alright.
Good.
And then this one as well. There we go. We put it together this way. The egg's got a nice color.
Yeah.
So it looks nice. Oh, that looks really cute. Very easy to make as well.
Yeah.
So this is seaweed.
Seaweed.
So So we add 1 teaspoon, right?
1 teaspoon.
Of seaweed into the potato. And 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Like that?
Yeah.
1 teaspoon of mayo.
And mix.
And mix it all in.
Okay, good.
So we wrapped up the potato and now we're gonna put it in the microwave for how long? 30 seconds. Here we got the little sausages.
Yes, little sausage, red sausage.
Alright. Perfect.
Okay.
And now we do the shapes. So we're gonna push this in quite deep. I think that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna try to push it out. The deeper we press it in, the more it opens up when you cook it. So the prettier it's gonna look. Okay, this one's not perfect, but the other ones are good.
Okay.
Well, this is getting very hot. It smells good already.
Yeah.
And now we move them
Yes.
all. Hey. Turn off the heat.
Yes.
How do you turn it off? This way.
This way.
How much?
More. It's okay.
And now we
Yeah.
just mix it in.
Smell.
So now it goes back into the bowl. So now we're gonna do the black rice, right? So this is gonna make it black. 1, 2, and then this one has to be a little bit bigger because the other ones were a little tiny. 3. I love doing this. This is my favorite part. This is me inventing my own technique of doing this now. So we're gonna add the sesame seeds to the cooked rice.
Mix with cutting and flip. Do not mix like this, otherwise rice becomes thick.
Oh.
Okay, please cut like a cut.
So you cut through and then you fold it in?
Yes.
Okay. That's a lot easier.
Yeah.
All the
You
glasses.
smell.
Yeah. I can see the color spreading as well.
Yeah. Put in the pressure cooker,
Mhm.
the heart, and then
Oh.
make a rice ball.
And then you put it in the middle of the rice box.
Rice box.
Okay. So we put it in here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very hot.
The freeze wrap.
You make it look so easy.
Yeah.
So now we press it in.
Center. Okay. It should be same size.
Mm-hmm.
This is the hand.
And then that will be the bottom, the hands.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And squeeze, and it goes in here.
And last part, the ears.
And last one is the ears. The shape holds very nicely. And then,
Come on.
so this is the face, the base.
Yes. And next
Okay.
we will make the.
Oops.
We use the stick.
Stick, yeah. It's actually easier than I thought. Oh no.
And then.
Oops, I broke it. I might have to do another one. So there we go. We got there in the end. So we put that in the mouth.
Yes. And then. So.
One ear. 2 ears.
Please cut in the mouth.
This is gonna be the mouth.
Yes.
So that's how we get the nose and the eyes. So this goes in the mouth area. It's a very wide mouth. So these are the cutest one, which are the smiley eyes. So I'm just gonna press it down. And hopefully, hey, it came out perfectly. Aha. Wait, that looks so cute already. I have a serious problem with shaking. So there goes the second eye. That took a while, but we got there. So now we need the little nose.
Nice.
I'm so happy how this is going. Oh, this eyebrow is like, what is going on?
Good.
I'm gonna move it a little bit and then press it in. And then the very last cheek. So now we're gonna use the eggs and the sausages, the broccoli and the heart shape, everything we've done.
Yes.
Even the potatoes, and
Yeah, of
then
course.
just decorate everything
Yeah.
and make it look nice. Alright, I'm gonna put broccoli in the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna put the other heart on this side. Oh my god, that looks so cute. The sausage is like... Okay. So I'm gonna add the little egg flour that we made on the very top. Oh, maybe I actually shouldn't be here. Oh well. So a little bit of potato here as well. Then we're gonna finish it all off with some more broccoli. Because we want this to be a little healthy. Oh, nope, that covers up. Ah, that's fine. And then the last one. Oh, there we go. Can you guys believe that we did this? Look how beautiful that is. With all of these ingredients that we prepared. You can barely see the ears now because it's all so crowded with broccoli, but at least it's gonna be healthy, which is a good thing, I guess. I'm excited to try this. Okay, I'm gonna try the little egg roll, the heart. This makes the rice so much better because it's toasty and a little sausage flour. This one didn't turn out perfect, but
When we compare the soup stock which used from the water in the soup stock, very different taste.
I love that. I love everything.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I thought I did an okay job. I mean, it wasn't perfect, but it was definitely a good effort. So if you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and switch my notifications on. It means the world to me if you guys subscribe to my channel because it means you're enjoying my content. I'm also planning on taking a lot more cooking lessons. I want to improve my skills so I can make better, more exciting videos for you guys. So I really appreciate the support. I think that's about it for this video, guys. I love you and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.